Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add subtitle in your video in the Canva. So it's very simple since Canva has recently added this feature where it will like do all the things for you. All you have to do is follow this video along. So let's go to this video, and what you have to do is just tap in this video. So to add subtitle to, let's set the video as background, and let's play this again. So did you know that you can add music in Canva? This is the video, right? So you're only one click away to adding the subtitles. All you have to do is just right click, and here you can see all the options like copy, paste, and if you go all the way down, you can see expand to whiteboard, and just above that you can see show caption. So once you click that, what it's gonna do is that it's gonna automatically give the subtitle, whatever is said in the video, it will give the subtitle. So okay, let me show you. Step in that. So okay, So did you know that you can add music in Canva? So this is the video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to your video. Okay, just like this is how you add subtitle to your video in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.